ready to unlock seamless online payments for your business. Let's jump into setting up your Stripe account. First, head over to Stripe.com and click the Sign In or Sign Up button. If you're brand new, go ahead and create your account using your business email. Make sure it's a professional email associated with your business domain for verification purposes. Fill out the necessary details: email address, your full name, and create a secure password. Pro tip: use a password manager to keep your account safe. Then agree to the terms and service agreement and proceed. Great! Now, you'll be directed to your Stripe dashboard, but you're not quite ready to start accepting payments. Look for a prompt to activate your account. This is where you'll provide the business-specific information Stripe needs. You'll need details like your business type, legal name, address, industry, and most importantly, your employer identification number, or EIN. For U.S. businesses, Stripe needs this to verify your business and report earnings to the IRS. If you're a sole proprietor, you can use your social security number. Fill out these details with the utmost care and accuracy. Next, you'll connect your bank account where you want Stripe to deposit your earnings. Provide your routing and account numbers. Carefully double-check. Incorrect information can lead to delays in getting paid. Finally, review all the information you've entered. Once you're confident everything is correct, submit your application. Stripe will usually review your application within a few business days. Once approved, you're ready to start integrating Stripe into your website or platform and begin accepting payments. Don't forget to explore Stripe's dashboard for more features to help you manage your finances.